In today's class, we will be discussing on rotation chapter from mathematics by my own method. To understand this method, you have to understand point plotting first. So let's begin our class. If we travel 3 units of distance from the origin horizontally along positive x-axis, and from that point we travel 2 units vertically upward along positive y-axis, then we can consider a point at the ultimate position having coordinates of 3, 2. 3 represents x coordinates length from the origin, whereas 2 represents y coordinates length corresponding to the origin. After understanding the meaning of points, we can begin our discussion on rotation. Same as the example we saw previously, we consider a point 3, 2 by keeping the lengths of x and y coordinates side by side. Now, we will rotate these lengths one by one about the origin. Here, we rotate x coordinate of 3 units with angle of rotation of 90 degrees. After then, we will bring the y coordinate of 2 units to the origin, because the rotation we are discussing is about the origin. Now, we will rotate y coordinate by same angle of rotation of 90 degrees and observe the case here. We can observe the x coordinate is changed into y coordinate, like y's y coordinate is changed into x coordinate after rotation by 90 degrees. By this explanation, we can make our new points running -2 units along negative x-axis and 3 along positive y-axis as -2, 3. For general the point, it can be expressed as -y, x as x and y coordinates are being interchanged by following 90 degrees angle of rotation. So the point formula for 90 degrees or quarter turn angle of rotation will be -y, x. By this explanation, we can obtain the point formula for 180 degrees of rotation, which is -x, y. Similarly, we will do the same process for 270 degrees angle of rotation, and point formula we obtain will be -y, x. For rotation about 360 degrees, the point formula will be same as before, as we can observe in the video. In this way, we can derive formula for rotations of point about the origin following anti-clockwise direction. Since these angles of rotation are anti-clockwise, which is also positive direction for angle increment, we can use plus sign before these terms. As we have learned how to rotate points, we can use it for rotation in clockwise direction with these formulas, as we can see here in the screen. So this much for rotation chapter. Next part will be on exercise on rotation.